Today, we're decoding pregnancy nutrition. And trust me, it's not what you think. Let's get into it.
You've probably heard this saying, right? Well, biochemist Jesse Inchauspé says this is actually where the trouble starts.
See, it makes you sound like just a passive container. But science shows your role is way more powerful.
You're not just cooking your baby, you're actively building them, piece by piece, from the ground up.
It's wild, but what you eat literally becomes your baby. So how does this even work?
It comes down to this thing called epigenetics. Think of it like dimmer switches on your baby's genes.
Okay, here's a great way to think about it. Your baby's DNA is the seed. Your body is the soil.
And that soil, your diet, is constantly sending signals to the seed, telling genes which way to go.
So, how do we create the absolute best soil? Let's get into the blueprint, starting with what to avoid.
Okay, so your baby needs some glucose, but absolutely zero fructose. That's the sugar in desserts and juices.
And get this, your body sees the sugar in orange juice and a can of soda exactly the same. Most moms-to-be get around 80 grams of sugar a day. The recommendation? Only 25. That's a huge gap.
All that extra sugar actually programs your baby's genes for future health problems. Moderation is absolutely key.
All right, let's talk about what to add. There's one nutrient that nearly every pregnant mom is missing.
It's called choline, and a staggering 90% of moms don't get enough. The impact on the baby? Huge.
Choline is literally a building block for your baby's brain. We're talking memory, learning, attention, the whole deal.
And the fix is surprisingly simple. Just 4 eggs a day gives you what you need. That's it. Okay, next up, protein. Take out the water and your newborn is literally half protein. It's that important.
Think of it this way. Not enough protein basically tells your baby's body, hey, don't build big muscles.
So by that third trimester, you're going to want about 1.6 grams of protein per kilo of body weight.
So this all sounds like a lot, right? But you can take control with a few simple daily hacks.
First, eat your veggies before anything else. Then get moving within 90 minutes of your meal. And I don't mean a full workout. A few calf raises at your desk or tidying up works great.
And please, remember this. Your baby gets what you give it, not just what it needs. That's a myth.
You are co-creating a human being. This knowledge gives you the power to build the best foundation possible.